What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. So today we're just gonna go over Baby Doge. We're just gonna cover all the new stuff that's been going on, and we don't have too much going on, so it's not gonna be a long video. But anyways, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section, and also definitely check out my other channel, Marsellis Travels. Almost at 1,000 subscribers. Check it out if you want to see my travels out here inside of Brazil. Anyways, let's get straight to it. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and it's financial advice. Now, let's get straight to it though. So, yesterday we were talking about the technical analysis for Baby Doge, right? So, we actually came out of our little wedge, and now it's kind of looking like we're a little bit stagnant here. So, now we're a little bit stagnant trading sideways on this area here. So, possibly we might be going up here to our next resistance, and our next resistance is all the way up here, like I mentioned in the previous video, at 9Z10. So that's what we got to watch out for. And since we're kind of moving sideways right now, it's kind of a good sign. And I know you can hear fireworks, but look, it's kind of a good sign, but kind of bad also at the same time. Because look, there's always the possibility that we continue to go down, yes, right? But the fact that we've already peaked 3 times, like we haven't been able to get above this little area 3 times. This is the first time here. And the area I'm talking about is 9Z9. So we got rejected at 9Z9 once, twice, and then 3 times here. So we got rejected at 9Z9 3 times so far. Hopefully the 4th time's a charm and we can actually get past it. Usually they say 3rd time's a charm, but hopefully it's the 4th time, because if we can get past this 9Z9 area here, which is a minor resistance, if we can get past that, then we can definitely get back up here to this 10Z1, not 10Z, but 8Z1. So that's what we're trying to get up to. We're trying to get the 8Z1. Right now, we're kind of stuck at 9Z9. So we're trying to get the 8Z1 from here. But anyways, we'll wait to see what happens there. Hopefully we can get past this area. And like I said, if we don't, let's go over here to the 4-hour chart. And then we can just kind of measure where we would go after that. So obviously we're at 8Z, or we're at 9Z8. And then 9Z7 would probably be where we end up after that. And actually, you can even see over here, that's where our support was before. So we could see 9Z7 coming all the way down here. And if you actually scroll all the way out, you can see why exactly I say 9Z7, because that's where we had more demand for Baby Doge. And I mentioned this a lot, but it's very important. That's where we had more demand for Baby Doge. So as you can see here, that is the 12th of May. That's where we hit the bottom there for our support. So yeah, 9Z75 to be exact, but that's where we need to be waiting for soon. If we cannot get past this 9Z9 area and eventually get up to 8Z1, that's if we can't get past that, then that's what we'll be seeing next for Baby Doge. So anyways, we'll wait for that. And then as for Bitcoin here, Bitcoin's just been stagnant. It's been trading sideways, kind of like how Baby Doge is doing now. But except you can see down here, Bitcoin actually hit this 16.5K support very briefly. But the second it hit it, it started to go up. And that's because the green areas are supply and demand of more demand. There's more demand from Bitcoin going all the way from 16.5K all the way down to 16.2K. We have more demand for Bitcoin. So that's why you've seen almost an immediate purchasing power coming in for Bitcoin the second we hit that support down there at 16.5K, because we have more demand there. And then you can see where we're at now. It's a very lightly shaded red, or a very lightly shaded green area. And then you can see there's some weird activity going on here. So I think that we actually might drop more further down below this. But, you got to remember, we are going into another year. And this is Christmas. Some people might be buying Christmas presents for their kids, and maybe for some adults too. And for those adults, it just might be crypto. So maybe people buy crypto for birthday presents, or Christmas presents. And then going into New Year's, the same thing could be said for that. So there's always that possibility that we kind of do a reversal and then go back up to 17K and eventually back up here to the resistance all the way at 18K. So we could see that happening if we see people, taking this as an opportunity to buy presents for their crypto lovers, right? But anyways, that's just the 15-minute chart. If we're to look at the 4-hour chart, it looks a little bit differently. Now you can even see over here, the 4-hour chart, on the other hand, is showing we had a very, very small red area here, which is very light selling, which is this area here. So it was a false breakdown, if you want to say. It was a false drop. We thought it was going to be a strong downtrend, but it really was not. It was only a very small selling wave. That's the red wave down here on the oscillator. Very small selling wave. So now we're starting to see a little bit of a green wave is starting to form too. So like I said, we actually might go into the New Year's and go into Christmas into the New Year's on a positive note where you see it getting back up to 18K. So I think that's a possibility for us to have now, but we'll just have to wait and see for that. Now, anyways, as for everything else, Baby Doge doing it all right. It's doing fair, 1.6% up for the last 24 hours. And yeah, Bitcoin is less than that, actually at 0.2%, Ethereum 0.1%. So Baby Doge is now ahead of the market because yesterday we were kind of behind it. But anyways, we now have 1,649,406 holders. So we're still getting holders every day, even though we're inside of a bear market. We just now did a partnership with 1inch. So this is very good for us as well. So I guess you could say how they said it, early Christmas present right here. But yeah, they integrated Baby Doge router as a new liquidity source. And then we also have over here, this is also pretty good. We're doing another partnership with another animal rescue out there. So this is pretty cool. So they rescue dogs out here, and this is a video, I guess, of them rescuing a street dog. So that's pretty cool. I mean, Baby Doge is always giving out presents out there. They find animals in need. I mean, Baby Doge donates to these partnerships, and then they find these animals. They have the boots on the ground, and Baby Doge makes it possible by donating to the partnerships. So yes, they're not just helping out dogs; they're also helping out cats. So yeah, they're out here really giving back to the community. So big shout out to Baby Doge. Big shout out to the Baby Doge Army, and Merry Christmas to the whole Baby Doge Army. So big shout out to them. Big shout out to Corridor Rescue for doing all this, and big shout out to the Baby Doge team for helping out Corridor Rescue. But yeah, Merry Christmas to all of the Baby Doge Army, by the way. Merry Christmas to everybody inside the Baby Doge Army. And yeah, we're almost there. We just got a little bit of a while to go because 2023, in my personal opinion, is going to be some pain. But I'm going to stick around, not going anywhere. But yeah, I still do believe there's going to be some pain for 2023 for the whole overall crypto market. So you just remember that. Like I said, though, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor at all. I just believe there's still going to be a lot of pain. But if you're really big on crypto, then it shouldn't worry you. I'm big on crypto, so it really doesn't worry me. But anyways, this is my journey here with farming. I now have 12.1 billion Baby Doge. The last video I had 11.7 billion. So yeah, a lot of reflections. Well, I mean, a lot of rewards has came into my Baby Doge wallet. So that's pretty cool. So anyways, now that we have all this out of the way, $11.27 right now so far of Baby Doge earned. And I just look at it like this. I put in $89. It's definitely a lot less than $89, but I put in $89 and inside of about 3 months, I got $11.27. If it was $890, it would be $111.27. If it was even more than that, you see where I'm going with this. If it was even more than that, if it was $8,900, which is $8,900, then it would be $1,127. So this is pretty good. I definitely want to put some more in. I'm probably going to continue to do that, but right now I'm traveling, so it's really hard to continue to buy more and more crypto while traveling internationally. But shout out to the whole Baby Doge Army, though. So if you see over here, though, DeFi Llama, we're now ranked 143. We were 142, but we kind of got kicked out of that spot. Now we're at 143 at $26.83 million in total value locked. So it's pretty good. We're only down 3.81% in the last month for our total value locked on for the DeFi SOP here on DeFi Llama. And as you can see, Sheeb is at rank 158, $23.77 million total value locked. But yeah, anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section. And definitely check out the link in the description for my other channel, Marsellis Travels. Go ahead and subscribe. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. And check it out if you want to see my travels out here in Brazil. And as always, I'll be back with another video.